Good day to all members of the Kringle community all over the world. I am Olorun Oluwayinde, one of the economic developers within the community. As you can see on the screen, Lifeforce Restoration Plan. Thank God for our able admin who has been teaching, training, and educating us on what Lifeforce is all about. And thank God for as many who are keen to it. Firstly, there is a form within your Kringle cashback office, your dashboard. Have you filled that form? If you have not, go on now and fill that form. Once you submit that form, Lifeforce a code will be assigned to you. And after that, that code is assigned to you as the program goes on. You'll be placed either in the leadership section or members, as the case may be. And don't forget, we are looking forward to getting the life assurance card coming out from Lifeforce, where you have access to all medicals free of charge. At the same time, this is a wonderful plan that we look forward to towards the success. We believe very soon fundings will start coming in. Every one of us within the community is expected to fill that form. Once you fill that form, a code will be assigned to you. And then after that, you go into your back office, update your profiles, update your details. At the same time, ensure that you are active. Regularly attend mass adoption training where admin train and teachers educate us more on this. Lifeforce is a wonderful plan that every one of us is expected to submit a project to the tune of 10 million naira and above. Wow. Yes, it's not a joke. So, for as many who have not yet taken this step, come on board. Henceforth, don't miss any of the training, especially all mass adoption training. Don't miss it, for you to learn, to get trained on how to access, to harness these fundings. Lifeforce Restoration Plan is on board now. So come on, join us and let us make it happen. Thank you. Love you all. Do well to subscribe to my channel for other and subsequent updates.